Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to change your default browser from Microsoft Edge to Chrome, or Chrome to Edge, or Firefox to Microsoft Edge, or Firefox to Google Chrome. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. So please follow up and stay tuned until the last moment and watch this video fully, and you guys can simply shift your browsers in Windows 11. Now let's jump into it. So as the first step, now the process of changing my default browser. Now I'm going to click on my start menu and I'm going to click on settings. And this is my settings page of my Windows 11, and this has a menu or navigation panel which says me system, Bluetooth and device, network and internet, and personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, and gaming and accessibility, and privacy and security, and Windows update. So now I'm going to proceed to the apps, and I'm going to proceed to the apps section, and I'm going to simply click on the default apps. So in the default apps section, here there are lots of default apps. So lots of programs are opening based on the selected default apps. So now I'm going to proceed to my search, and I'm going to search for .html. So as you guys can see, my default web browser is Google Chrome. So I can simply click on this icon in order to change my default browser. So now I'm going to click on this one, and or I can simply search here for Google Chrome. So I have found my default browser as Google Chrome. So you guys can simply see, make Google Chrome as your default browser. So I have made it as my default. So I can simply click on this button to change my default settings. So I can simply select this one to change my default settings. So as you guys can see, now I have changed lots of the .html and .htm file types to Microsoft Edge. So we can simply select all of these and change all of these browsers default redirection. And here, as you guys can see, my HTTPS is also on Microsoft Edge. So I can simply change all of these by simply tapping on this one and this one. So now I'm going to change all of these to Microsoft Edge. So now I'm going to change as Microsoft Edge, .svg as Microsoft Edge, and as .pdf as Microsoft Edge. So now, as you guys can see, my my default browser is successfully changed to Microsoft Edge, and I will show you the another steps to change your Microsoft or the default browser. You can simply proceed to the apps section and click on default apps, and you can search for Google Chrome, and you can simply click on this one. So now I'm going to make my Google Chrome as the default browser. So it says me make Google Chrome. So you can simply click on set default, then all the changes will be updated. So now I'm going to again make this to Google Chrome, so for the best performance of the web browser. So now, as you guys can see, I have changed the most of the extensions to Google Chrome again. So now I have set my default browser to Google Chrome again. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.